你说你会开飞机，我瞅瞅。啊，有点能耐。
Let me see if I can bring that tail up for you. There. Gina, pull up!
I'm trying! I don't want you to die!
I don't either!
I think we made it!
Spoke too soon. Something tells me these guys aren't friendly.
Wow! What happened?
They got us.
打小日子飞机，这个我喜欢。
Keep the plane straight or I can't shoot.
Okay!
No! Fly in a zigzag pattern so they can't hit us.
Make up your mind!
I think we lost them.
Oh! Thank God!
Never mind. Won't be happy.
Who?
An old friend.
Maybe you could introduce me while we're here.
Sure. We could stop by for a coffee.
We're losing altitude.
I'll get us a new plane. Don't crash.
Thanks for the advice. What are you doing, Jones? Are you crazy?
Just hold the plane still.
这剧情多少有点太夸张了。
Out of my way, pal! Gina!
Jones!
Get in!
I'm trying!
Get your hand with this!
这种抢飞机的方法，我真是佩服。
You're hurt. Here.
Thank you. I still don't know how this rug could bring us halfway across the world.
Only thing I know is, no one can ever use those stones again.
What's your theory, Professor?
Think about it. Nazis use them, they end up on the top of a mountain. We use them, and we end up dodging bullets and bombs in a war zone. I've seen what happens when mortals mess with this kind of power. It doesn't end well.
No.
Look, I can drop you off at the nearest harbor. Maybe you can catch a boat to Italy.
I'm not going anywhere, Jones.
Well, all right.
Where are the other stones?
Well, the nearest site on the Great Circle would be Sukhothai, deep inside the jungles of Siam.
But what if Boss has already taken it?
Not a chance. None of the relics in the Vatican treasure chamber came from Sukhothai. It's got to be there.
What are we waiting for, then?
By the way, that was some nice flying back there.
Yeah?
I don't suppose you know how to fly this thing, do you?
Excuse me?
Nothing. Just might have a little trouble with the landing, that's all.
下一站这是应该又跑到泰国去了。
We should talk to the locals.
Yes, but we have to earn their trust. I don't think the people here are very happy with all this fascist around.
Oh, you don't stir them. Here's all I got left. Do you want some?
Yes, please.
Oh, hey, fella. It's like you could use this more than I could. Traveling through the Siam jungle at night is not a very good idea.
That looks like an hotel. I'll get us rooms.
All right. Hey, just keep a low profile.
Yeah.
How about you? Think they got a phone in that place? I should call Marcus.
好，后面的剧情会在下一个视频继续分享给大家。如果你也喜欢这个游戏，那就关注我吧。